Lifestyle startups refer to the more of those startups which are an extension of your passion or your hobby leading into a business. With the onset of the pandemic, we've seen a lot of people taking up blogging, podcasting, etc., and then actually translating that into I would say a proper profession or a business activity to pursue. And then there've been these set of trainers, online trainers, who come into the big scene. Then of course there are the consultants and freelancers on various um, uh, you know on various forums who are offering different services. These are people who would come to be known as lifestyle startups. So if you the one thing that you can keep in mind is passion or a hobby or an expertise translating into business would mean like a lifestyle startup. The model for this would be very different. How do you access your customer, how you access your customers, how you price your services, all of that would vary according to the type of business that you choose. So you can keep in mind that in case of a lifestyle startup, you need to be visible in the right place, right networks, in order to be discovered by your customers, and the pricing will vary accordingly. And then there is, of course, there are different ways of looking at, how to price your offerings in the case of lifestyle startups. So you get a lot of reference points in the market of how people offering similar services are doing it, and then you tend to price it around that.